Welcome to Small Model Car. So we have got a fire engine, and this is new for 2024 by Matchbox. I'm not sure what truck it's based on. It says Blaze Buster. I'm not sure if it's based on an actual truck, or I might have to do some research on it. It looks more like an electric truck because I don't see any grill or anything up front. But so yeah, let's open it up and see how does it look, what else it offers us. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. So here it is. This is how it looks. The Blaze Buster 2. It looks like a compact fire truck, so not like the big ones. It does have some stuff on top. As you can see, ladders. This looks like water cannon. On the side, you can see the step here. Obviously, this is the access door for tools and everything. This is fire rescue on the side, and some reflectors. Coming to the front, as I said, I think it's an electric fire truck. I'm not sure because there's no grill or anything up front. Headlamps are not detailed either. You got the blue windscreen, which I highly doubt the actual truck comes with. You got the mirrors on both the sides, that's a good thing, and this looks like lights on the top, again not detailed, and this looks like a roll of the pipe or hoses for the water. Coming to the other side, you can see it has got a lot more equipment on this side. Again, they're different, I'm not sure what it is. You can see more boxes here on the bottom with door handle, which are detailed. That's a good thing. Apart from that, it says have a stop. See, I'm not sure what that means. It has a numbering here, TN27. Here again, you can see some ladders here, and I'm not sure where the tail lamp is. Maybe these three. So, I'm not actually sure about this casting. I don't know which truck it's based on, so I can't really compare with. Definitely misses on a lot of details, but if you're good with detailing casting, you might actually make it look even better. I would say it's alright. It's a decent casting if you like want to have some fire engine in your collection. That's not bad. I might have to research what it's based on. Yeah, so those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching.